Hello guys, and welcome back to our channel this day. Today we'll be bringing to you a short video that will be explaining to you how to fix connection issues on HTTP Injector. So we have always been trying to connect to the internet on HTTP Injector, and you have had difficulties in connecting to the internet. And so today we'll be showing you how to fix this issue and connect yourself to the internet with HTTP Injector. As you can see, you are unable to connect to the internet, so we'll just give you a short break after the short intro, and we'll be showing you the full process how to fix all your issues. Okay guys, welcome back. We'll be showing you 3 main ways that you can fix your connection issues on HTTP Injector. And so the first thing that we'll be showing you, the first thing that you always check is to make sure that your application is updated. Make sure that your HTTP Injector application is updated. And when you check and make sure that HTTP Injector application is updated, to check it, you just have to go to Play Store, and then you search HTTP Injector, and so you search on the search bar HTTP Injector, and when you check, you open and you check, make sure it is as we have shown, as it is shown here, because when your application is out of date, it will show your update. And now when you see it as it is here, all you have to do is just to click on open, and then you retry if your connection passes. But in case if it does not go, we'll take you right straight to the second method. The second method will involve that you clear your HTTP Injector's app caching. So how you do it, you go to your settings. Second method, you go to your settings and you go to apps and notifications. On the apps and notifications, then you enter the HTTP Injector application and you search for source. You search for storage. Search for storage in your settings, and you clear the apps caching. When you clear the apps caching, you can now return back to your application, to HTTP Injector, and you try if you can connect to the internet. But we won't connect right now, since for the sake of this video, we'll take you right to the end first before we will be able to try if everything works. It might work for us, but we don't know if it will work for everyone. That's why we'll take you right up to the end of the video. And so for the last method, to be able to fix your error, you need to check your HTTP Injector configurations. You need to check your configurations on HTTP Injector. Well, for the sake of this video, we won't explain all of that. We'll just redirect you back to one of our previous videos that we made that was explaining how to connect on the internet with HTTP Injector. We'll make sure that we provide a link to you in the description below, and you can also check it in the comment section. And when you go there, you can be able to see all the methods to connect your internet with HTTP Injector. We explained more than 3 methods in that video. And so once you have done all of that, you can come back to your application and you retry connecting, and make sure that you are able to connect to the internet. As you can see, it shows the application connected. And so guys, here is the end of this short video, and we hope you enjoyed it. And if you found any problem or difficulties, don't hesitate to give us a comment in the comment section, and Don't forget to also give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel before leaving. Thank you.